There's nothing left to do but enjoy and shove this juicy, moist torpedo in your mouth.
Fire up the smut.
Eating hybrid Smashdogs that taste this good should be illegal. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make Smashdogs. So just sit back, grab a drink or two, and let's get into it. And don't forget to subscribe, like, comment. It all helps. Think of the children. What is a Smashdog? It's what I created when I combined a smash burger with a hot dog. And to start, we need a good burger mince. And I love using ground brisket mince for mine. Put through the meat grinder once on the coarse setting. And lucky for me, Mick the Master Knucklehider down at Gippsland Premium Meats does it for me. Brisket mince contains enough fat on its own to give us a mouth-watering perfect ratio of 70% meat to 30% fat. To prep the mince to become Smashdogs, first we need to glove up. We just need to weigh it out into 100 gram balls. That's it. Nothing else needed. Just form these into torpedo styled shapes to fit your burger buns. What about sauce? What? Yep, to make basic burger sauce you need only 3 ingredients. Ketchup. Now before any Aussies start having a meltdown, it's not the same as tomato sauce. It's thicker and sweeter. American style yellow mustard and some mayonnaise. Now I tend to add just equal parts of each and mix it up thoroughly. Ta-da! Now you can add whatever else you want to this sauce. Chopped up pickle or onion. I prefer not to because I like to keep it simple. Today I'm using a flat top grill. In particular, it's the FT400 from Weber. Charcoal, cast iron pan or flat top gas griller. Does not matter as long as it's flat. Don't forget to throw your grill first. Then turn on the liquid charcoal. Liquid petroleum gas just makes everything taste better. Now we just need to let the hot plate warm up for 10 minutes. Why? Because we need this as hot as your mother-in-law was when she was 18.
Giggity, 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 giggity.
The griddle is hot enough. How do I know? Because I turned it on 10 minutes ago. Throw down some Smashdog torpedoes. Season them with some salt. You're going to smash them down, spreading them out so the outer edges are thin and will crisp up. We want these crustier than your secret sock. Leave these to cook for a few minutes, and once you see liquid forming on top, it's time to flip. Using a big spatula, flip them over. Now just adding cheddar cheese slices that I've cut into triangles. And then just top this off with a hot dog bun. This will in fact steam the buns and they're gonna absorb so much flavour. Now there's no need to get all uppity and buy brioche hot dog rolls. Good old soft white bread rolls is all that's needed. Today I'm using a flat top barbecue to help you make friends. And all up, these Smashdogs will take less than 5 minutes to be ready for tasting. Or for those of you who love to use my beer timer, you're looking at a 1 beer cook. Cheers! Now this could be considered a 12 beer cook if you get your missus to drive you down to the shops to get everything and you start drinking before you leave. The Smashdog is cooked and ready for serving. We're just going to sauce up the roll, double stack the meat and cheese, and don't forget to give it a tickle with your pickle. Close the lid and prepare to clog your arteries. There's nothing left to do but enjoy and shove this juicy, moist torpedo in your mouth. Oh, we knew it was coming. Smart!